Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, NFP has already been done. I can see a system B trade, so I'm gonna take a buy, okay, and I'm gonna set the take profits all the way up there. Okay, so this should give me about $600 to $800 profit. Yeah, so this is a system B trade, and let's see how it plays out. We started this account with $250. As you can see, we've grown it over the period of 4 to 5 months, and we've made over $10,000 in withdrawals so far, right? And in terms of profits, we've made over almost $36,000 profits in total. Remember, if you want to buy the course to learn how to do this, I teach my students with live trades, live scalping, live hedging. You also get the software for free that does all the analysis for you in seconds. Okay, the moment you open your PC, it tells you when to buy, where to sell, where to exit. We've had some nice hedges also. As you can see, we'll be taking live hedges during the course. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and if you want to connect your accounts to my account, make sure you sign up with Yoga Markets, link in the description below. Same thing, if you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks, sign up with Yoga Markets, link in the description below. And in order to be able to connect to my account, make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. And in order to test my software, make sure you have at least $150 so that I know that you're serious about testing my software, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And with that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, I had to take a quick sell, system A sell, as the market showed me an opportunity. We're still in the buy. Okay. Oh, there you go. We've hit the take profit for the sell very quickly. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another small buy and set the take profits here. So now I have 2 system B buy trades. This is what I teach in my course live with my students on hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, so far we've locked in over $220 profit so far. Okay, and once we are fully done with this trade, in total I think we should have $800 to $1,000 profit. Okay, so let's just see how this plays out. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. If you want to connect to my account, sign up in Yoga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account, and send me a proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, we're already moving into profits. We'll be right back when we're into more profits. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment in the description, in the comment section below for the algorithm. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, my scalping system showed you how to take a sell and a buy at the same time, which is what we teach at hedgingmastermind.com, and we're moving closer and closer into profit. There you go. Take profit hits. Let's see how much we made in total. 600 plus, okay, that's 800. In total, $1,000. $1,000 in less than 12 minutes scalping this account. $1,000 in less than 220 plus 630, that's 850 plus 160. Over $1,000 in less than 12 minutes. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to connect to my account, sign up with Yoga Markets, link in the description below. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. We started this account with $250 so far. Look at all this profits, all this profits over the 4 to 5 month period. I'll also give you the login to my accounts every weekend. I always do that in my Telegram group. Make sure you join my Telegram group also. Link in the description below. We've made $10,000 withdrawal, and so far over $46,000 profit. Once we get to $50,000 profit, I'll make another $10,000 withdrawal. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trading video soon when we're also into more profits.